Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if TPMS is not working, what we need to check here, we'll demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Here we need to first check, guys, okay, a few fuses under the hood. So here on the driver's side, you have the car battery here, guys. In front of you is the main fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, open them, guys. Open that cover, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now for the TPMS system, guys, if you want to see how to program TPMS sensor or where to get the TPMS to, okay, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you that. Please, guys, make sure you stand till the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. So here now, guys, okay, what we need to do. First, we need to, guys, check 3 fuses. One of them is fuse 46, that's for the TPMS system. But you need to check fuse number 51 and 52. 52 is very important fuse because that's for the RF hub. The RF hub, guys, okay, that's the radio frequency hub. That's practically the one reading the values from the TPMS sensors. So it could be a bad RF hub in some cases, TPMS module, okay, or it could be even a bad sensor. If it's just one sensor that's giving you error, most likely you have a bad TPMS sensor. If it's all of them, either you have a bad fuse, RF hub, TPMS module that you will need to check. But those are some of the most common things that we see here at the garage on Dodge Ram. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you, guys, for watching, and see you next time.